Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for keeping your spa clean or maybe your pool. And it is a cordless spa vacuum. So this was sent over by a company called Lydsto, and it is the S1 Lite model. Once you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see, the reason it's called Lite, it is this nice slender little vacuum, super lightweight and very easy to utilize. Now, why I say this is perfect for a spa is it's designed for more smaller spaces. If you have a pool, where I like to use it is for the steps, and I have one of those tanning shelves. Works really well of getting that area as well, because the pool cleaner just doesn't get up there and can't get all the nooks and crannies. Now this is designed to cover all the different types of pool surfaces. So whether you have a PebbleTech pool like I have, whether you have plaster, whether you have tile, whether you have vinyl, whether you have a manufactured spa with that kind of acrylic feel to it, it's gonna be able to work with all those. So what do you get once you open it up? Naturally, you're going to get a user manual. It's gonna tell you all about it. We're covering all these features right here in the video. You're gonna get 2 head attachments. So you're gonna get like the little vacuum brush attachment. This is absolutely perfect for getting in nooks and crannies and stirring up the dust, so that way it can basically kind of suck in everything through the nozzle. However, you do also get a kind of larger area, kind of vacuum. This is perfect for larger areas. So think when I do my light shelf, I will use this. If you're doing the bottom of your spa, this is really perfect, where this is really good for getting in the nooks and crannies and the various steps. Naturally, you are gonna get a way to charge up the battery on this guy, which is just a standard little plug. On the back of the unit, there is a little rubber gasket here. Just open that up and that's where it'll plug in. Make sure that this is fully closed when you put it in the water, because in order for this to work, you see the little vent holes, this all needs to be submerged underwater, because how it's working is it is sucking the water in and then out here. That's also keeping the motor nice and cool while it is working and operating. Now, as far as cleaning, very easy. Take off the end piece. You're gonna notice you're gonna have this nice long tube here. Simply go ahead and just hose this off and get rid of all the dirt. This can pick up leaves, small twigs, but I will say if you've got a lot of leaves, it's gonna fill this up very fastly. What I like this is really getting that silt, so your sand, your dirt, that kind of stuff, and then occasional small twigs. It works really well with that. Everything can be hosed off. It does have 13 gallons per minute of actually turnover with the built-in 20-watt motor. So it is a nice little powerful. You can also twist this and pull it off so you can empty it out. So you can fully clean out this whole tube. Very easy to utilize as far as cleaning when it comes to it. And then the attachments are very easy as well. You're just gonna have these little pinch points on the end and just slide it into place and you're good to go. Now, as far as the runtime of the battery, you're gonna get about 90 minutes of runtime on this. And it takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. There is a button, just simply press that on, and it will turn on and good to go. Like I said, make sure it's fully submerged when running it. But overall, it's very lightweight, very easy to utilize. It also does come with this extension pole. So if you are doing kind of deeper areas in your pool, you can use this nice little extension pole that they include, or you can just use the handle on the other end. So you got multiple ways of utilizing this, so that way you're perfectly set to reach all the various corners of your spa or your pool. But if you're looking to make pool maintenance a little bit easier, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.